Okay, so welcome back to page 171. It is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. So the next word that we are going to do is a word we did the other day. A couple of weeks ago, is the word opportunity. What's the word? Fabulous. Opportunity, which means to have a chance, a break, to do something important. This is your opportunity to shine. Okay, opportunity. Let's go. Opportunity. Opportunity. So let's go. Let's go. Opportunity. Opportunity. Don't forget to cross your T, dot your I, and cross your T. So we have 5 syllables. We have 2 things to mark up. Let's go. Underline the or and the U. You got it. Rule 4. Okay. If you're talking about opportunities, change the Y to an I, add ES. Okay, so quite some time ago, we had a page where all 12 words had the I that sounded like a Y. I'm going to go back to one word and we're going to add to that. It's the word million. What's the word? Beautiful. Million, which is 6 zeros and then one more number. 7-figure salary. You sometimes hear about the athletes, they're making 7 figures. Okay, it's 6 zeros in a million and then one more comma. And then you add a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 for a million. $10 million. You can even go beyond that. Okay. So million. Let's go. Million. Million. The I is going to sound like a Y. So million. Million. Let's go. Million. Million. No, it's not a lion. Okay, so we're going to triple underline this because it does not follow the rules. Okay, and if you have $1 million, you are called a what? Exactly, a millionaire. Let's go. Millionaire. The A that cannot be used at the end of a word. Okay, millionaire. 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 Okay, so how do we mark this up? Beautiful. Triple underline the A and the silent E twice. Job number 5. You got it. Party crasher. Maybe we don't mind if someone who's a millionaire crashes the party, though. What do we do with these 2 words? Brace. Okay, excellent job. Okay, so the next 3 words are pretty challenging, but especially number 9. It's the word frequent. What's the word? Excellent. Frequent, which means often, a lot, regularly. Okay, it's sort of repeated, it's continual, it's continuous, all right? There's actually a commercial which will help you out. Do you suffer from frequent heartburn? In other words, do you get heartburn often? Do you get it a lot? Anybody who takes a local train knows that they make frequent stops. A lot of stops, okay? There's one other way to use the word frequent, which means to visit or to attend. How often do you frequent church? Okay? Yeah, exactly. Okay? I frequent church once a week. Okay? Frequent. It means to attend or to, or to visit. I will frequent the bathroom a few times because I had a lot of food to eat. Okay? Frequent. So let's go. Frequent. Frequent. So let's go. First syllable, free. Second syllable, quent. All right. So we have 2 things to mark up. You got it. Underline the E and the Q. Right. We have rule 4 and rule 1. Now we could use it more than one way. You got it. It is a homograph. You are going to write sentences for both, explaining the definitions, and don't say I have a frequent collection of stamps. That's not the way we use it. Okay? Frequent means some sort of behavior that you do often, that you do a lot. Okay, or again, a local train will make frequent stops. It will stop often. It will make a lot of stops. It does it regularly, whereas an express train makes very few frequent stops. Okay, and again, to frequent something means to visit or to attend. I will frequent church every Sunday. I will attend church every Sunday. All right. How often do you frequent going to your aunt's house? Things like that. Okay. When you do something in a frequent way, we say the more common word is frequently. Okay. My friends and I go to the park frequently. A lot, often. Okay. Frequently. All right. So let's go. 3 syllables. First syllable, you got it. Free. Second syllable, you got it. Quent. And the third syllable, ly, in a frequent way. Okay, so we have 2 things to mark up once again. All right, underline the E and the qu, and that is a repeat, so we're just going to make it easy for ourselves. Okay, so the last word is very interesting. So, for example, by the way, getting back to one other thing, the weather changes frequently during the seasons, okay? All right, but the last word is the word frequency. What's the word? Exactly, frequency. Now, there's a few ways that we could use this. Again, I visit my friend's house with a lot of frequency, okay? So it means that you do something often, okay? But there's a couple of other ways that you could use it. And anybody who knows anything about sounds knows that the frequency can be very, very high, a high-pitched sound on some sort of electronic device, right? And you cover your ears, it's a high-pitched frequency. But also, it's a radio station. You guys wouldn't know about this, but you dial into a radio station, those numbers, 95.5, that's a frequency on the radio spectrum. To find a radio station. And also, like a police walkie-talkie, all right, they have to tune into a certain frequency to communicate with each other. Okay, again, if you listen to a radio station, it goes right to that frequency when you save it. Okay, it'll go to whatever station you like to listen to. Frequency. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways to use it. He got asthma attacks He got asthma attacks with alarming frequency. It was happening so often, in other words, that mom had to take him to the doctor. Okay, frequency. And again, high-pitched sound, a high frequency, and also the station that you need to listen to on the radio, that's a frequency, or walkie-talkies where police communicate with each other. Frequency. So let's go. Frequency. We use k, s. So let's go. Frequency. 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 So how do we mark this up? You got it. Underline the E and the Q. We know that is rule 4 and rule 1, but I see a rule here. Exactly. Rule 2. Soft C when followed by Y, I, or E. And since we can use it more than one way, I'm running out of space, it is a homograph. Okay, and what do we do with these 3 words? Beautiful, triple brace. It's a tough one, but it's supposed to be. So let's go. Frequency, frequency, frequently, frequently, frequent, frequent. All right, let's go. Millionaire, millionaire, million. And opportunity, opportunity. Don't forget the P. This is what a lot of you are making mistakes when you have double consonants. Opportunity, okay? Good luck. It's going to be a tough one.